Beautiful. That gave me chills, guys. That was beautiful. Those dogs don't like my plane too much, too loud. Dogs never like my plane. I'm gonna land the plane and take it over for that person to let their dog sniff. Whoa, that was a perfect landing, guys. You see the propeller actually hit the ground. Hey, how you doing? I'm good. I want to let her smell it again. Look, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, 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 oh. Don't want to, no, don't want to step on it. Well, I didn't think about that part. I figured she'd destroy it by chewing on it. See, it's okay. Look, see, listen. What was that? Oh, it's okay. It's not gonna do nothing. You're such a good dog. What is this, a Labrador?
Shepherd.
Shepherd. Oh, she's so pretty. All right, well, you have a good day.
That's good you do.
Yep. Plane will fucking blow him out, dude. This plane will blow out the lawnmower, man. I buzzed right over his head. Alright guys, Kimmy's gonna launch his cub And we'll see what happens. Remember, pull up when you get going. Go. And throttle down. What are you supposed to do? Pop quiz. What are you supposed to do if it's not starting? Isn't there something that turns the engine on and off?
Yeah, this arm.
Arm, exactly. Pull back. Good job. You know, I'm so busy, I'm like so excited you were flying. I was watching you and not the plane. I'm sorry. Turn the other way. There you go. Try to fly farther out now. You're flying, dude. Look at you.
Hey, do you want me to wait to fly till he's done?
No, go ahead, dude. You're fine.
Feels so bad.
Nice job, dude.
We'll come in for an hour and then we'll do a little bit more.
You got some time. You still got time. Try to go up higher. See if you can get up a little higher.
I don't like going high.
Yeah, just get up a little higher so you're not in the way of the trees. Be careful. Don't let it fall out of the sky because you're turning too much, right? Yep. Pull back on it. Nice. This plane flies really smooth. Just keep it up in the air. Just keep pulling back when you make your turns. Nice job, Cammy. See, what were you nervous about? You're doing such a good job flying in a circle right here.
Shit. My trim is so
Okay, if you're gonna land, you need to take it out all the way out there and then bring it back and land, right? Yeah. Now turn. Okay. Now throttle down. Pull up. Throttle down. You're all right. Ooh. That wasn't a very good landing though, was it?
I throttled all the way.
You gotta come in straight, not all turny, right?
Now we gotta redo it.
Right here. Now throttle down. There you go. That's better. That was better. Okay, go pick up your plane. Welcome back, guys. Ready for the maiden flight of our new 540 build. I hope this goes well. Oh shit. Nope. It was fucking flipped around. Everything was flipped around, dude. That didn't go so well. Everything was flipped around. Too bad. That propeller is jacked.
yeah.
Oh yeah, it's not really flying like I want it to yet, but hey,
It's all good, man.
it crashed at the first part, so. You filming it?
Yes.
The fact that it's flying at all is impressive, so.
Well, I can do upside inverted rolls real easy in this thing. And turns. I can practically fly this thing upside down. Got the weight up. Oh, dude. Oh.
I'm like a fucking mile up there. Holy shit. This is that $14 receiver too. Awesome. It's not her. That was the closest we've ever been, which I like it.
I know.
You notice that it flies better upside down?
Whoa, that was close. I'm gonna land.
I don't know why it's like right in front of us and all these people, but I mean, it's cool.
Because I'm crazy.
There you go, look. Flying way better.